Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Soul Deal. Tanpit Kaur this side. Today I'm back with another new pick a card reading for you guys. So today's reading is about what is coming for you in the rest of 2020. Okay, what kind of changes are coming in the rest of 2020 in your love life, in your career, in your finances, overall changes coming in your life in the rest of 2020. So we'll talk in detail about all these things. Firstly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button. And if you're looking for a personal reading from me, you can message me on my Facebook or Insta page. The link is given in the description box below. If you're looking for a free reading from me, you can subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell and comment below. The results will be announced at the end of this month. So now, take a deep breath, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Now make a choice. This is pile 1, Keepers of the Earth. Pile 2, Soul Family. Pile 3, Answer the Call. So whichever you connect with more, you can go ahead and choose that pile. And I'll see you guys at your reading. People have chosen pile number 1, the Keepers of Earth. Okay, firstly, with the Keepers of Earth here, I feel I have to tell you that your ancestors are around you. They are protecting you. They are with you. If you are feeling lonely, if you are feeling alone, you are feeling lost, you should seek their assistance. Okay, in your meditations, you can ask them to assist you in moving forward in your life. And I also feel you have a strong connection with animals and plants in general that will help you move forward in life. So whenever you're feeling very low, go ahead and connect with these animals, connect with plants, connect with nature. Mother Earth is helping you, it's guiding you. Now let's see what the tarot cards we have. 7 of Swords, Princess of Cups, 10 of Cups, and the Fool. Okay, so I think currently some of you guys might be going through some kind of upheaval in their life, or maybe there could be some kind of problems that you're going through in your life at this point of time, or it could just be a mental pattern that you have been following for a very long time. Okay, it's a self-sabotage that you're going through. Okay, you're not able to let go of things from your mind. You are not able to let go of people. You're not able to forgive people who have done bad to you. I think the time of forgiveness has come. There is some kind of happy news coming your way. If you have been thinking a lot, the thoughts are going away and there is happiness that is coming in your life very, very soon. Okay, so that can happen like in a month's time only. Okay, maybe by October things might start improving, or something good is going to happen in your life in the month of October, which will bring you lots of happiness, which could be something like a good news for you guys. Maybe if you have been struggling with something, maybe your own mental patterns, if you have been struggling with bad health, that health is going to improve. If you have been struggling with the relationship problems, those are also going to improve for some of you guys out there. And I also feel financial improvement can also be seen here. Okay, so you are getting into that self satisfaction, you are getting into that happiness that you have been seeking in your life. I think there is lots of happiness coming your way, emotional satisfaction coming your way. So if you have been feeling like you have been trapped, you cannot move out of these problems, the end of these problems is there. Okay, and that is coming to you very, very soon. Okay, so you are going to get out of these mental patterns is what is coming to me. If you have been feeling self-sabotage, that self-sabotage is coming to an end. You will be able to realize your true potential. You will be able to find that happiness. Okay, and I think the month of October and November will be very happy for you. Okay, it will be very uplifting for you, for some kind of a good news coming in, giving you lots of happiness. It's almost like a wish fulfillment for some of you guys. So if you have been wishing for something, that also might come true. Okay, so if you have been wishing for finances, that can come in. It could also talk about some kind of health improvement. If you have been wishing for that, that is also coming in. Your mind is trying to relax now. I feel lots of peace is coming to a lot of people out there. Okay, so if you have been thinking a lot, the month of September, once it ends, I think there is happiness, there is a lot of peace that is coming in for you guys. And with the 10 of cups, I feel lots of happiness is coming in. It could be happiness in family life for some of you guys. If you have been having some problems in your family life, those are getting sorted out. If you have been having strained relationships, those are also getting sorted out. Okay, so I think lots of happiness coming in. And with the Fool energy, I feel you are going out, you're moving out and having fun, okay, and not caring about what others think about you. I think you are becoming a rebel now. You are going to stand up for yourself. If you have not been standing up for yourself, there is a stand up for yourself that you will be doing by the month of December. You will be in that position to stand up for yourself. You will be in that position to understand what you want in your life. I think this happiness might be coming in because you would be able to understand more about yourself. You might have introspect in these months before about yourself, and now that happiness is coming in because you have understood what you want in your life. And once you know what you want in your life, you are going to stand up for it and you are going to work on it. So by the month of December, you are going to take some bold steps in your life. Now let's see what the other cards have to say. Bring love into the situation. So maybe if you have been struggling with the love life, okay, there is love coming in for you. Okay, there is lots and lots of love coming in. With the Princess of Cups, it talks about love messages. Okay, maybe a love message might be coming in for you guys, and I think that will bring you lots and lots of happiness. Conclusions are within reach. So whatever conclusions you have been waiting for, those are in within reach. You are going to reach those conclusions. You are going to reach those endings which you have been waiting for. Those end of the dark night is coming for you guys. Okay, so the full moon eclipse makes you dug deep within you. Okay, it will help you go deep within you and understand what kind of problems you are facing, what is that is going wrong in your life. I think you will dig deep and understand more about yourself. Boundaries, I think you are creating boundaries with people who are not giving you happiness, or maybe creating boundaries in general with those mental patterns which are not helping you. Okay, maybe you are working on something like yoga or exercising to let go of the mental patterns that have been holding you back from living your life fully. Travel, so yeah, so some of you guys might also be traveling to meet someone, to maybe just traveling and going out. Okay, you could be traveling for not just specifically for work, but you could just be traveling to have fun. Okay, so some of you guys might be traveling in the next 4 months. Okay, maybe you could travel to some place you have been planning to travel to, or maybe a travel would bring that break in your life that you have needed for a very long time. Then we have empowerment. Okay, so you are getting empowered. You are feeling empowered with the Fool energy, taking bold steps. Okay, so you are feeling empowered. You are feeling like you can do anything in your life. You are not scared of anyone now. Okay, so I feel you are ready to move ahead in your life. You are ready to take those bold steps. You are ready to take over the world. Give yourself much more credit. So you are giving yourself much more credit. You are recognizing your true power is what is coming to me. Okay, if you have been doubting yourself, that doubt period is coming to an end, and there is empowerment, there is strength that you're getting into, and there is lots and lots of confidence also, which I see here. You are destined for greatness on the wings of love. So I think lots and lots of love coming in for a lot of few people out there. If you have been waiting for the love news, or people who have been waiting for a partner might come in as well. So lots of happiness is coming for you guys in the next 4 months. Now let's pick up some self-care cards which can help you and guide you through this 4 months. Dance, okay, and then we have meditate. Okay, so firstly, I think you should enjoy this time. Okay, this is the time to enjoy for you guys. If you have been feeling too low, I think the time of dance has come in. You can dance. If you like dancing, go ahead, do some dancing, dance meditation as well. You can get into that. And then the second card is about meditation, so you should meditate. You should center yourself and meditate. This is a good time to meditate, center yourself, and put your energies in the right direction. Okay, now let's see what the charms have to say for you guys. Peace. Okay, so yeah, I think a lot of you people are coming into peace. Anchoring, grounding, meditation. Ground yourself via meditation. Okay, you need this grounding. This will help you move in your life in a very centered way. The anchor will help you feel more protected, it will make you feel more centered, it will help you feel more grounded. Okay, so you need to get into that practicality when you're moving ahead in your life. Then we have this flower charm. This flower charm talks about Venus, it talks about beauty. So I think you will be spending a lot of time on your beauty, or you would want to spend your time on beauty. Okay, maybe you will go to that parlor, maybe you will spend a lot of time grooming yourself, okay, pleasing yourself. So I think lots of happiness is coming for you, lots of positivity is coming for you, lots of peace is coming for you. Enjoy this peace, dance through this time, and meditate as well. So pile number 1, that is what I have for you guys. If you like this reading, please comment below and let me know how you feel about this reading. And if you're looking for a paid reading from me, you can message me on my Facebook or Insta page. And if you're looking for a free reading, you can subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, comment below, and the results will be announced by the end of this month. So thank you for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. People have chosen pile number 2, soul family. So with the soul family card here, I would like to tell you your soul family is around you, and if you have not met your soul family in the next 4 months, you might meet a soul family member, someone who will guide you forward in your life, someone who can help you in some ways. Or maybe in the starting could just start with a friendship. This person can be your partner, this person can be in the form of friend, this person can be in the form of a colleague which can help you. So I think a soul tribe member, you are so going to meet that person in your life, and I feel you are going to connect with them. You are going to feel that they are just like a reflection of you. Okay, they will be holding your hand when you need that protection, is what is coming to me. Now let's see what the tarot cards have to tell. So starting with the 3 of Wands, 3 of Swords, 8 of Swords, 2 of Swords, and the Devil. So firstly, I would like to start with the 3 of Wands. 3 of Wands talks about planning about future. So maybe at the current stage, in the current time, you are planning about future, you are thinking about future, what is going to happen in the future, or maybe there is something you are waiting for to happen. Okay, maybe there is something happening in your life for which you are waiting for something to come to fruition, could be a thing. Okay, but I think whatever you are waiting for might not happen, or something which you are waiting for might not happen the way you have wanted it to happen. Okay, and that is going to break your heart, that is going to make you feel very sad. Okay, and with that 8 of Swords energy is also coming in, telling us that you will feel trapped, because that whatever you have been waiting for did not happen, and you are sabotaging yourself. You are feeling that your life has no purpose, you are feeling like you are done and you are down, you're feeling very low. Okay, and I feel with this 3 of Swords and 8 of Swords energy, I think you are your heart chakra is blocked, as well as your crown is blocked. So I think you need to work on both of these energies, because your mental patterns are blocked at this point of time. Or maybe very soon you are going to go through this phase where you might feel anxieties as well, you might feel headaches as well, or itching for some of you people out there. Okay, but you can get out of it, you can move out of this position in your life. Or if you have been already going through, I think there could be some respite coming in, maybe because you are healing from something, and whatever news might come in, maybe if you have been waiting for something and something happens, I think you should learn from it rather than taking it to your mind and your head that whatever has happened is putting you low. It is trying to make you understand that everything which happens is happening for your good. Okay, so you have to take that learning from here. Okay, you have to take this learning very soon in your life. And with the Two of Swords energy, I feel healing is happening. Okay, because you are healing from these swords. Okay, you are letting go of these swords in your life. You are letting go of these mental patterns which you have created, and these patterns could have been created from a very long time. These could be rising up now, but you are, because you are healing from these. Okay, because you are letting go of these patterns in your life, and something in the current position might trigger it. Okay, maybe something might happen which will trigger those old patterns for you, and you would want to get out of it. And with the Two of Swords energy, I think you will have the decision to make. Okay, so some of you can decide to come out of this pattern. Okay, you don't have to be stuck here. You can move out of it. It is a very strong possibility that you can move out of this pattern. And with the Devil energy here, I feel you need to cut those cords. Okay, you are thinking about someone in specific who you want to cut these cords with. Maybe it could be a relationship that you are stuck in, and you are thinking about this person again and again and again, and they do something bad to you and your heart is broken, and still you want them to be in your life. Okay, maybe someone who's not valuing you in the relationship, but you still want to be there for them. I think you need to rethink this relationship for some of you guys, and for some others, I feel this could be maybe your own pattern which is making you feel negative, which is making you feel like a burden all on yourself. This could be food addiction for some of you guys. Maybe whenever you feel very low, you go out and start eating. Okay, or it could be drinking for some of you guys. It could be some kind of drugs for some of you guys. Maybe you are taking in a lot of medicines for some of you guys to recover from this illness of yours. Okay, and I think if you have been going through some kind of health issue, I think you should start working on it rather than running away from it. Maybe you have to face those patterns, is what is coming to me. Okay, because once you start facing those patterns, I think your movement is going to start happening, and you have the choice. You have the choice to move out of it. And I strongly see in the next 4 months you can decide if you want to heal or you want to be stuck where you are. If you want to move out of these health problems, or you want to be stuck in these health problems forever. So it is your decision to make. Now let's see what the other cards have to say. Don't let pride get in your way. So maybe you are feeling very angry with someone. Okay, maybe someone has done something really bad with you. Okay, and you're feeling very angry and you're feeling very egoistic. So I think you should not let the pride get in your way. You should not think about what the other person has done to you. I think you should feel confident of who you are. Okay, and I think forgiveness is the best way to move forward in your life. If you want to be stuck here, if you want to be staying here in this position in your life, then I think forgiveness does not count. But if you want to move out of this position, I think you need to forgive this person, whoever this person is, because your cords are still connected to them. Okay, with the Devil energy, I feel your cords are still connected to them. You're still thinking about them even after they have broken your heart. So I think you need to disconnect with this person. You need to disconnect your cords with this person, because the more you're connected with them, the more your energy will feel drained. Okay, then we have take time to breathe out. So you need to take time to relax, to breathe. Okay, because you are thinking so much. I think if you can spend your time in Anulom Vilom, you should do that, because you need to take some deep breaths. Okay, spend time doing yoga if you can, do some meditation if you can. I think that will really help you move out of these mental patterns where you are stuck in. Then we have confidence is your key to success, new moon and Leo. So I think a lot of you people can be Leo signs, don't have to be sun, moon, rising. Okay, and I feel if you want to move forward in your life, you need that confidence. Okay, you don't have to be on someone else's pity in your life. Okay, you need that confidence in your life. Specifically, people who are talking about their career and they are feeling stuck in their jobs. Okay, I feel you need that confidence to move out of this job. Okay, you need that confidence because you have the talent, but you are lacking in that confidence at this point of time. I think you need that confidence to move out. You need that confidence to move out of your comfort zone, is what is coming to me. Then we have healing. So a lot of you people are healing, as I told you earlier as well. You are letting go of these patterns. You can let go of these patterns. Maybe you are consciously working on letting go of these patterns, these energies that you have been holding on for very long. So there is a lot of healing happening for you in the next 4 months. Maybe some mental patterns which have not been serving you good, you are releasing them. Maybe those hurts, you are releasing those hurts as well. You're forgiving people in your life. Compassion, so you are showing compassion to others and you are being compassionate to yourself as well. I think there is lots and lots of compassion that is coming here, lots and lots of healing that is coming here. So I think have that compassion to, and this movement forward will be very easy for you. Dreams, so something is coming in your dreams, so watch your dreams. Okay, they are giving you some kind of ideas and you need to think on what you want, where you want your life to go, because the dreams are helping you heal as well. Okay, they are showing you the way forward. Maybe in your dreams your angels are giving you some message. They are making you understand the meaning of compassion, the meaning of forgiveness for you, and maybe they are sharing some wisdom with you. Okay, so I think you should watch your dreams, maybe start your own dream journal if you want. Sometimes the good is hidden. Okay, so you need to understand that sometimes the good thing is hidden. Okay, it's not always showing to you what good might happen. Maybe at this point of time you might not feel it is good for you, but once you have healed out of it, once the healing has happened, you will start feeling good and you will realize whatever has happened in your past was for your good. Then we have things are about to get really juicy. So let's see what it says at the back. A little heads up on an addiction that afflicts all, really old souls. Giving love eventually becomes an even greater need than receiving love. See, you are not strange. So I think you are old souls who are addicted to love. Okay, you are addicted to love, and that is why you are stuck with this person. That is why you are feeling that I have to love someone, I have to give this love to other people. Or maybe you are stuck with this person because what you understand is just love. Okay, and I feel that at this point of time, specifically, you should work on this addiction and get this over with. Whatever person you are addicted to, you need to understand it in more deeper levels and get it over with so that you can move forward in your life. So, in the next 4 months, work on this addiction, work on these mental patterns. There is strong healing coming for you guys. Okay, lots of healing is happening. Now, let's see what self care oracle cards do we have for you guys. Family. Okay. Flow like water. So firstly, I would like to tell with the family card, you need to spend some time with your family. You need to get into that hug because that will help you heal. The healing hug. Okay, take the love of your family. I feel that will help you heal out your heart chakra. If you have been feeling blocked in your heart chakra, that will help you heal out that heart chakra of yours. Okay, you need to fall in love with your own family. You need to connect with your own family because our family is your healing cord. Flow like water. Okay, so I think you need to flow, you need to move, you do not need to stay at one position. You have to flow, you have to flow in your life, you have to move in your life. Whatever is happening, don't feel stuck at any point of time. You need to just keep moving in your life, because whenever you are stuck, you will not be able to move. You have to get into that attitude of moving forward and not thinking about what problems are coming in your way. I think you need to just keep flowing in your life. Now let's see what charms we have for you. So I have this badge which talks about confidence. So I think you need to move forward with a lot of confidence. Okay, yes, and we have this confidence card also here. So I think confidence is what you need to move forward. You need strength to move forward. You can get out of these mental patterns. This healing can happen for you. You just need that confidence. And this mask. So the mask is trying to tell us that something might reveal itself. Okay, so if you have been waiting for some answers, if you have been waiting for something to reveal itself, this could be shocking for some of you guys as well. So something might reveal itself, but you have to flow. You have to flow even after that thing reveals itself. Okay, so you have to flow through these emotions, you have to flow through this healing energy is what is coming to me. So pile number 2, that is what I have for you guys today. If you like this reading, please comment below and let me know that this resonate with you or not. And if you're looking for a personal reading from me, you can message me on my Facebook or on my Insta page. And if you are looking for a free reading, you have to click on the subscribe button, you have to click on the notification bell, and then comment below. The results will be announced at the end of this month. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you. I've chosen pile number 3. Let's see what is coming in the rest of 2020 for you guys. Starting with answer the call. So maybe I think you guys are connecting with your life purpose in these next 4 months. Okay, maybe you are answering your soul calling is what is coming to me. Maybe you are working towards what your soul wants to go forward to. I think you might even be seeing some angel numbers for some of you guys there, or it could also be like you are feeling more connected with yourself, with your own soul is what is coming to me. And you might find guidance, okay, from your angels in this path forward. Okay, and you things will keep working for you way forward. Okay, because you are going to connect with your life purpose. So a lot of you people are going to connect with your life purpose in the next 4 months, or somehow something is going to happen related to your life purpose. Okay, maybe something which will not now but in the future will help you connect with your life purpose. Now let's see what tarot cards have to tell us. 9 of Wands, the Magician, Four of Swords, Seven of Cups. Okay, so with the 9 of Wands, right away I feel you are fighting for something. Maybe you are fighting or standing up for yourself. Okay, maybe you are standing up for what you believe in. Okay, you have been working on something and now you are 100% sure you want to do this in your life. And I feel with the 9 of Wands, you are standing up for that. You are moving forward towards whatever you want in your life, and now you have realized that maybe some kind of realization has come in your life, and now you know where you want to go in your life. You are very sure that this is my life path. Okay, and you are going to work on that very, very soon. And with the Magician here, I feel you are creating something. You are getting into some kind of business for some of you guys. It could also be some kind of new education for some of you students out there. Maybe you have planned for what you want to study further in. Okay, or some colleges you have applied to and now you know that I want to go into this college. Or it could also talk about some of you guys realizing your true potential, that you can create something out of nowhere. Maybe because we all are staying at home, we are realizing our own talents. So I think maybe some of you guys are working on those talents and realizing your own talents. Maybe you realize that you are very creative and you can do these things in your life, and you can earn money via doing these things in your life. And with the Four of Swords, I feel you need to center, you need to be more calm. Okay, and you need to then take decisions and move forward. Okay, so center yourself before you start moving forward. Do not rush into things. I think you need to center, you need to meditate and then move forward in your life. And with the Seven of Cups energy, there are choices coming in for you. Okay, so maybe you realize that you are very creative and you are taking a decision on what you want to do out of it. Okay, and you have choices and you have to make a decision over it. So by the month of December, you might be taking some decisions in your life, and by the month of October, you might start on doing something in your life which you have been waiting for. Okay, if you have been waiting to start something, that is going to start in the month of October for you guys. And right now, maybe you are in the process of making that happen. Okay, you are in the process of studying more about it, and maybe standing up for yourself at this point of time. And then we have courage. Okay, so I think you have that courage right now in you, And I strongly feel you can stand up for yourself, and very soon you will be standing up for yourself. With the Nine of Wands and the Courage card, you are already standing up for yourself. Okay, and you can do it. You don't have to worry about it. You can move forward. You will have a very good future in it. I think you should stand up for it. It could be a soul calling for some of you guys as well. That is why you are feeling so connected to it. Okay, that is why you are feeling like you want to do it. And I think for some of you guys, it could be talking about working for some NGO or something around healing. For some of you guys, that kind of energy is coming to me. Maybe you have decided what kind of business you want to start in, and you know that you want to do that anyways. Whatever people say, it doesn't matter to you anymore. And I think it could talk about some kind of a relationship where you are fed up of things, and now you're taking a stand up for yourself, and you're having that courage, and you're ready to move out of it, and you have decided that this is too much for me, and I do not want this in my life, and I want some kind of relaxation. I want to move out of it. So I think that can happen for some of you guys as well here. Okay, and if you have been waiting for some kind of investment, that might also come in for some of you guys, and you could start something new with that investment. Inspiration. So you could inspire yourself, or maybe you are taking inspiration from other people. You are taking inspiration from other people's stories. Maybe you are listening to motivational stories lately, and you are realizing that you have that potential to move forward, and you're realizing your true potential is what is coming to me. A time for healing. Okay, so you are healing. I strongly feel you guys are healing. Whatever you have been feeling stuck into, those obstacles are going out of your life, and now you are focused towards your goal. You are connected to your life purpose. So healing is happening for you guys. Energy is gaining momentum. Okay, so if you have been waiting for things to happen, you to fly like these birds, I feel yes, you are ready to fly. You are ready to take that flight. You are ready to start something. Okay, I think just keep working towards what you feel connected to. I think you have that courage, have that, inspire yourself to move forward. Keep it simple. So do not complicate it. You have to keep it simple. Do not complicate whatever you want to do in your life. Do not overthink it. Just go with the flow. Okay, as it is happening, just keep going with it. Do not overthink about it, and have that courage to just move forward. Inspire yourself. Then we have Hubba Hubba. So this is a very cute card. So what it means is falling in love again for some of you guys. Okay, if you have been waiting for falling in love, that happiness coming for you. So if you have been waiting for the happiness, falling in love for some of you guys, maybe you are connecting with that person, maybe you are connecting with your soul partner. I think there is lots and lots of happiness coming in for you guys. Okay, so I think just enjoy with the Hubba Hubba word telling me to inspire, telling me to rise my energies. Okay, telling me to dance this through this problems, whatever you have been facing. Okay, now let's pick some self-care cards for you guys. Okay, so let's see what self-care cards do you need. What kind of self-care do you need till the month of December? Okay, let's see. One, so two. Okay, so look to the stars. Okay, I think maybe some of you guys are into tarot astrology or something like that, or maybe you should watch more tarot readings, because maybe they are having some answers for you. So take some whatever resonates with you. I think you need to look at the stars. You need to know or study more astrology. For some of you guys who have been waiting to know that, I feel you have to connect with astrology. You have to watch tarot readings, or you should learn tarot or astrology, or how to read stars. Maybe you have to learn that. Okay, and then we have make a meal. Okay, so whenever you're feeling low, go ahead, start cooking. Okay, start cooking for yourself. I think you need to take good diet is also coming here. Okay, so that which makes you feel uplifted, which makes you feel that positive energy within you. Now let me pick some charms for you guys as well. Okay, So starting off with the Venus energy, okay, you are having that Venus energy in your life. If you have been waiting for happiness to come in, that is coming for you guys, because you are feeling uplifted, you are feeling inspired. I feel you will feel inspired to work on what you like in your life. Then we have peace. So this is talking about peace coming in your life in the next 4 months. You are connecting with peace. You are feeling more peaceful. And then we have masculine energy, the masculine energy of moving forward, working towards your goals. You are feeling inspired, you are feeling courageous, you are having that masculine energy to move forward in your life. So pile number 3, that is what I have for you guys today. If you like this video, comment below, tell me does this resonate with you or not. Whatever ways, please comment below and let me know about it. And if you're looking for a personal reading, you can message me on my Facebook or my Insta page. The link is given in the description box below. If you're looking for a free reading, what you can do is subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and then comment below. The results will be announced at the end of this month. So until next time, take care, stay safe.